This is your canvas, where your art is created. And make no mistake, you are an artist. After all, you make your pizza using only dry-cured Canadian bacon, which makes it unique. You use honey in your pizza sauce, which makes it crave-worthy. You make it with pears and sardines, which makes it creative, possibly weird, but fantastic. These are the things that make it yours, and these are the tools that help make it your art. Because you give it your best when creating your pizza, we at Vollrath give it our best in the pans and tools that help craft it. This is where your masterpiece begins. With the only true NSF certified press-cut pans that are as dutiful as they are durable. Dough dockers that make sure your crust stays just how you want it. Pizza pans and screens that make sure all cooks evenly and deliciously. We know the ingredients are where you add your touch, so we add ours by giving you cutting boards, pans, utensils, and food processors that help you easily bring those colorful flourishes. And because sometimes your art is deep, we make sure you have the tools to make your deep dish a magnum opus. We give you every tool you could possibly imagine that allows you to bring your creation out of the oven and into the world. No matter if you're a worldwide brand or a local artisan, we make tools, even custom ones, to fit every need. Whether your art is cut into slices, strips, or squares, we have exactly the tool you need to do it precisely. But no matter if it's going to table 45 or 45 Magnolia Lane, it comes hot, fresh, and full of flavor. So every ingredient you agonized over is gushed over. Vollrath, providing pizza tools for the pizza artist.